Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 484.5. We expected copper to stay in buying under certain conditions. Only if the price is coming down near 482 or 480, we thought we can go for buying till 476 by placing stop loss near 475, or else we can buy once the price moves above 493. So what happened right after the opening, the price tried to move up, came down till 482 and found some support and went near 485 and closed near that. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 482 again. So we feel that that you can expect some sort of drop in copper, so that the price will come and reach 480s, 478. Go for buying till 476 by placing stop loss near 475. If you have a very good sufficient fund, it will be better that if you go for buying till 472 also by placing stop loss near 471. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.